It's actually April Fool's Day. It's going up on April 2nd. I'm here with Chicken Slater over at Subway, and you can't see my pocket, but there's over $1 of pennies in there, so we're gonna pay with that with a $5 bill still. So it's not gonna be terrible. It's not gonna be like $7 in pennies. Yeah, so we're gonna record this and see how it goes. Okay. We're gonna.
So just the sandwich?
Yeah.
Nothing else?
Just the sandwich.
Not toasted?
It's pretty simple. This is good.
Sorry about the wait. Oh my God.
We counted it like 4 times. April Fools!
How much is that?
100, I mean 120.
And a 5.
Gabby, come out here.
Could have been worse. We could have paid $2 in change.
Bro, we could have paid the whole amount.
We were going to get $5 in change.
Are you really paying with that?
Maybe.
You know we can not accept that. We don't have to take that. How much pennies?
120.
There's 120. There's 110 in pennies and a dime.
I'll take it this time, but I'm not taking it again.
Okay.
You guys think it's hilarious, but when you get a job, you'll understand how much it sucks.
At least
we have to count this 4 times tonight.
we counted it for you guys.
Doesn't mean we have to count it too.
Oh.
We're not allowed to just take your word for it.
Oh, dang.
$6.17.
You were off by penny. Or you said it was $6.16.
I should have bought. I think it was more than $5.95.
Not gonna lie, I kind of feel bad doing this because now they have to recount it.
You could pay a $10 sandwich in that though. I wouldn't go that far.
No.
That would suck. Can you imagine spending $50 in pennies?
Yeah.
Imagine carrying $50 in pennies.
Bro, that would suck.
That's when they don't accept it.
Yeah. But they don't have to accept this.
Well, you didn't have to.
Is that one dime supposed to be there?
Yeah. That's what makes it 120. That takes some good memory to be able to count all that. I would lose count.
You can't count for 60. Kind of you do, right?
Well, I can count. I just can't move stuff.
Never mind.
A penny went under the bags.
Well, there's 3 extra pennies there.
It was?
If it's that much, we counted $6.20. Use that brain.
It'd be 3 pennies, not 2.
I said 3.
You said 2.
I said 3.
You said 2.
There's 3 pennies extra in there. I know what I said. You were wrong.
All right.
There was one.
And then I'll set
Yeah. Thanks.
everyone.
Good deal.
Oh, yeah. Oh, forgot my phone. I don't know.